everyone, welcome to this video. Today we are going to learn about how to back up our website using different available plugins on WordPress.org and how to migrate our website from a specific website from a domain to another domain. We'll learn that on our next section, but in this section we will learn about how to back up our WordPress website using different plugins. So specifically we are going to learn or use one or two plugins like all-in-one WP migrations, duplicator, which are most famous over the time. And so let's move to our video. Right, so now in this section we are going to back up our website using all-in-one WP migration. We can also use duplicator, but people find all-in-one WP migration much easier than that of duplicator. So let's jump ahead and go to your website. I have a website called website 2. You can view at this log over here, website 2, and I'm using it in a localhost using XAMPP server. So you can also use in any type of server or in a live server also, but one precaution over here, using in a live server it takes a lot of time because you have to download the file, a backup file from server in our desktop or in our computer. But in a local website this process will get much faster. You need not to worry about that ahead. So let's look at our website. It is a fully functional and fully running website. It is a marathon website and the theme is Ocean WP themes provided by. So I have made a demo video about how to install this magazine theme in your website. You can check the link over here in the viewer tooltip. So if you want to know about this website, how to make a website like this, you can check over here. So now let's move to our video, original video. So go to our dashboard. Dashboard. In the dashboard, go to your plugin section, and so once you click on the plugins, go to add new sections and click on add new sections, and this type of window appears where you will be suggested a list of plugins to install, and go and search for. We'll use all-in-one WP migration over in this video, and you can use any of the software that is used to back up or migrate your WordPress website. Since you can see all-in-one WP migration has 2+ million active installations, and we don't count about downloads, and duplicator has 1+ million active installation. Both I have used both of them, and both of them are very efficient, but we have the fact that all-in-one WP migration makes us easy for migration because it only gives us one file for as a backup, and we can use it as a backup in another website much easily by using the all-in-one WP migration plugin itself. But in case of duplicator, it gives us two files. One is for PHP file and another is backup files, which is a compressed file, and we have to use it on the other site that we are migrating using some sort of like PHP functions and adding these files, and these files will migrate automatically. So see how I migrate a website from one domain to another domain using duplicator in video over here. I will suggest the video also, and all-in WP migration also I will make continuation to this video. So in this video for backup I will use all-in-one WP migration. So let's active and I have already installed the plugin, so all I need was to active the plugin. So yeah, you will see install now options, install and then activate the plugin. So I will activate the plugin. So the plugin has been activated, and you can see the plugin over here, all-in-one WP migration, and deactivate options over here, so from which we can deactivate the plugin. And now in our dashboard bar You can also see all-in-one document migration options over here. So click on this and click on export, right? Click on this and click on export, and in the export section, go to export to option, and you can find a variety of options that are offered to you by all-in-one document migration. You can export it as a file, you can export to a FTP, to Google Drive, to Dropbox and OneDrive, better options, DigitalOcean directly to our as a hosting website, and Azure directly to our host, and as the client WebDAV, and many options. So in this video we are going to migrate it or to backup it in form of file. So click on file, and so once you click on file, you prepare to export the WordPress content. First extension compatibility, and then archives. It is creating the archives. So then configuration file, it creates a configuration file, then archive it. So now it is archiving and it has to go to 100%. So now the archiving has been finished, and this type of dialog box appears with which suggests us to download the localhost, and the size is 50 MB. So we can click on this and download the file. Click on this, and once we click on that, it gives us the download option, right? You can see local host website 2 and certain date format, and then time format, and then .wpress file. So this must be the extension of the file you need to download. You need to save everywhere. Don't change that extension. If you change that extension, the plugin will not accept this file, and you can't backup in next sections of the files, or you can backup in any other website, or if your website crashes. So first let me save this on desktop, and let me create a new folder on desktop. Name as backup, and let me store over here and save this file in the backup. So the file is being downloaded, and this file is downloaded. So in this way we can create a backup of any of our website, WordPress website. Sorry, we are talking about WordPress website specifically. We can make backup of any of our website using this method, using this plugin. Once we have done backup, you can close this, and so in this way backup can be created for any website using all-in-one document migration plugin. And using this backup we can create any other website, or we can backup any other website in case of any emergency failures, or we can restore any website. So thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and comment on this video, and feel free to comment if you have anything about me in the comment section. Thank you.